Toyota FV2 concept. The Toyota FV2 concept is an innovative, futuristic vehicle designed to enhance the driving experience by connecting physically and emotionally with the driver. Unlike traditional cars, the FV2 does not have a steering wheel. Instead, it is controlled by the driver's body movements. By leaning forward, backward, or to the sides, the driver can navigate the vehicle. This unique mode of operation aims to create a more intuitive and engaging driving experience. The FV2 also incorporates advanced technology to foster a deeper connection between the driver and the vehicle. It uses voice and image recognition to gauge the driver's mood and preferences, adjusting the driving experience accordingly. Additionally, the vehicle features augmented reality (AR) displays on the windshield, providing real-time information and enhancing safety by highlighting potential hazards. Connectivity is a key feature of the FV2. It can connect with other vehicles and infrastructure to access traffic information. Kwiggle Folding Bike. The Kwiggle Folding Bike is a unique, ultra-compact bicycle designed for urban commuters and travelers who value portability and convenience. Known for its innovative design, the Kwiggle allows riders to sit in an upright, ergonomic position, which helps reduce strain on the back and neck. One of the standout features of the Kwiggle is its folding mechanism. It can be folded down in just 10 seconds to a size small enough to fit under a desk or in a standard-sized backpack, making it one of the most compact folding bikes on the market. Despite its small size, the Kwiggle is built with a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring durability and stability during rides. The bike weighs approximately 8.5 kilograms, 18.7 pounds, making it easy to carry. It also features a patented suspension system to provide a smooth ride on various terrains. The Kwiggle's 12-inch wheels and 6-speed Shimano gears offer versatility for different riding conditions, whether navigating city streets or Mercedes-Benz Stringline. The Mercedes-Benz Stringline is a conceptual vehicle design that epitomizes the future of luxury mobility. This avant-garde concept showcases a sleek, elongated body with minimalistic lines and a futuristic aesthetic. The design emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency and environmental sustainability, aligning with Mercedes-Benz vision for eco-friendly transportation. The Stringline features an all-electric powertrain, ensuring zero emissions and a quiet, smooth ride. Advanced battery technology promises an impressive range, making it practical for long-distance travel. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation, equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment systems and autonomous driving capabilities. High-quality materials and customizable options provide a bespoke experience for passengers. One of the CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp is an innovative vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle that leverages advanced cycloidal rotor technology. This technology, often referred to as cyclorotors, offers unique advantages such as precise control, enhanced stability, and efficient thrust in multiple directions, making it ideal for urban air mobility. The CruiseUp is designed for short-range flights, focusing on urban environments where conventional aircraft and ground transportation face congestion challenges. Its compact design allows it to operate in tight spaces, including small landing pads on rooftops or parking lots. The cyclorotor system provides superior maneuverability, enabling vertical takeoffs and landings, as well as hovering capabilities. CycloTech emphasizes sustainability and efficiency in the CruiseUp's design. The vehicle is expected to be electrically powered. Concept e-bike 1865. The Concept e-bike 1865 is an innovative electric bicycle inspired by the original two-wheeled velocipede invented in 1865. Created by BASF, this modern e-bike combines vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. It features a lightweight, carbon fiber frame and 24 modern materials, showcasing BASF's material expertise. The bike is equipped with a 250-watt motor integrated into the rear wheel hub, providing pedal assist capabilities for a smoother ride. The motor is powered by a removable lithium-ion battery, offering a range of approximately 50 to 90 kilometers on a full charge. Ergonomically designed, the Concept e-bike 1865 boasts a minimalist yet functional design. It includes an LED headlight, electronic shifting, and hydraulic disc brakes for improved safety and performance. The Zapata Air Scooter. The Zapata Air Scooter is an innovative personal air vehicle designed by French inventor Frankie Zapata, known for his groundbreaking work with jet-powered devices like the flyboard. The Air Scooter is a compact, lightweight, single-person aircraft intended to provide a thrilling, easy-to-use aerial experience. Unveiled in 2024, the Zapata Air Scooter features 4 duct fans that provide vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces. It's powered by a hybrid electric system, combining electric motors with a small internal combustion engine, offering both efficiency and extended flight times. The aircraft is designed for simplicity, with intuitive controls that allow users to operate it with minimal training. The Air Scooter's top speed is estimated to be around 60 miles per hour, with a flight time of approximately 30 minutes. Its compact design enables it to be stored in a garage. Zapata JETRACER. The Zapata JETRACER is an innovative personal aircraft developed by Frankie Zapata, a French inventor known for his pioneering work in jet-powered devices. The JETRACER is a flying car concept that features a futuristic design and is powered by 10 microturbine engines, allowing it to reach impressive speeds and perform acrobatic maneuvers in the air. As of the latest updates, the JETRACER has successfully completed several test flights, demonstrating its agility and potential for both civilian and military applications. It is designed to be compact and lightweight, with a seating capacity for 1 person, and is controlled through a joystick and foot pedals, making it relatively easy to operate. The JETRACER can reach speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour, about 155 miles per hour, and has a flight range of approximately 20 minutes on a single fuel load. It can fly at altitudes of up to 3,000 meters, around 9,800 feet. The vehicle's versatility and high performance have generated significant interest. GAC Van Life Concept. The GAC Van Life concept, unveiled by GAC Group, is a futuristic take on the camper van designed to cater to the modern nomadic lifestyle. This concept vehicle emphasizes versatility, sustainability, and advanced technology. The exterior boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with expansive windows that provide panoramic views. Inside, the layout is highly adaptable, featuring modular furniture that can be reconfigured to suit various needs, from sleeping and dining to working and socializing. One of the standout features is the use of sustainable materials throughout the interior, reflecting GAC's commitment to eco-friendly design. The van is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and connectivity options that ensure occupants remain connected and entertained on the go. Whill Model F. The Whill Model F is a lightweight, foldable power wheelchair designed for convenience and mobility. Weighing just 52.9 pounds, it is one of the lightest power wheelchairs on the market, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. The Model F features a compact design that can be easily folded and unfolded, allowing it to fit in the trunk of a car or be stored in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful motor and large front omni wheels, the Whill Model F offers smooth and stable rides, even on rough surfaces. It has a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a range of up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, ensuring users can travel longer distances without worrying about battery life. The chair also boasts an intuitive joystick controller, enabling precise maneuverability and control. The adjustable footrest and back support ensure a comfortable ride tailored to the user's needs. Additionally, the Model F comes with a smart application that allows users to control the chair remotely. Check battery. Aston Martin. The Aston Martin Volante Vision concept is a futuristic VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed to provide luxurious urban air mobility. Unveiled in 2018, this innovative vehicle aims to alleviate urban congestion and revolutionize personal transport. The Volante Vision concept features a sleek, aerodynamic design with 3 duct fans for vertical lift and propulsion, ensuring a smooth and efficient flight experience. The cabin is designed to offer the comfort and luxury expected from Aston Martin, accommodating up to 3 passengers. The interior boasts premium materials and advanced technology to enhance the travel experience. The aircraft's autonomous flight capabilities allow passengers to relax and enjoy the journey without the need for a pilot. Aston Martin has collaborated with Cranfield University, Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, and Rolls-Royce to develop this cutting-edge concept. The propulsion system, developed by Rolls-Royce, combines hybrid electric technology with gas turbines to provide efficient